Did you know that your gut health plays a crucial role in almost every aspect of your well-being? From boosting your immune system to managing weight and even influencing your mood, your gut is far more important than you might think. Shockingly, an unhealthy gut can lead to problems like digestive issues, fatigue, skin problems, and even chronic conditions. Yet, many people still overlook the simple yet powerful tools available to them: probiotics and prebiotics. These aren't just trendy health terms, they are vital for maintaining a balanced and healthy gut. Probiotics and prebiotics work together to ensure your gut is filled with good bacteria, which helps fight off harmful pathogens and keeps your digestive system in check. Without them, your gut health can spiral into imbalances that affect your entire body. So why aren't we paying more attention to what we eat and how it affects our gut? The power to enhance your health from the inside out lies in understanding the role of probiotics and prebiotics. Today, we're exploring how these tiny but mighty components can transform your gut and overall health. When we talk about gut health, two key players come into the spotlight: probiotics and prebiotics. While they might sound similar, they serve very different purposes in maintaining a balanced gut. Probiotics are live, beneficial bacteria that help keep the bad bacteria in check. Prebiotics, on the other hand, are types of fiber that feed the good bacteria, helping them thrive and multiply. Together, they create a healthy gut environment, which is crucial for proper digestion, immune support, and overall health. Let's explore how these two work hand in hand to improve your gut health. What are probiotics? Probiotics are live microorganisms, mainly bacteria and yeast, that are good for your digestive system. They're often referred to as good or friendly bacteria because they help keep your gut healthy. Probiotics are naturally found in your body, but you can also get them from certain foods and supplements. Some common foods rich in probiotics include yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and miso. These foods contain strains of beneficial bacteria such as lactobacillus and bifidobacterium, which help balance the bacteria in your gut. When you consume probiotics regularly, they replenish the good bacteria in your intestines, making it easier to digest food, absorb nutrients, and even prevent common digestive issues like bloating, gas, and constipation. What are prebiotics? Prebiotics, unlike probiotics, are not live bacteria. They're a type of fiber that acts as food for the good bacteria already living in your gut. Think of prebiotics as the fuel that helps probiotics grow stronger and more effective. When you consume prebiotic-rich foods, you're essentially feeding the good bacteria, allowing them to multiply and support a healthy digestive environment. Prebiotic fibers are found in a variety of plant-based foods such as bananas, onions, garlic, leeks, asparagus, oats, and chicory root. These fibers pass through your digestive system without being broken down, eventually reaching your gut, where they nourish the probiotics. Together, prebiotics and probiotics create the perfect partnership for maintaining gut health. Why gut health matters. When we talk about health, we often focus on diet and exercise, but gut health deserves equal attention. A healthy gut can significantly enhance your quality of life in ways you might not expect. For instance, it plays a crucial role in regulating your immune system, which helps you fend off infections and illnesses. Additionally, a well-functioning gut is linked to better nutrient absorption, ensuring your body gets the vitamins and minerals it needs to perform optimally. This can lead to increased energy levels and improved overall vitality, making it easier to tackle daily activities with enthusiasm. A balanced gut also contributes to emotional well-being. The gut houses a large portion of the body's serotonin, a key hormone that stabilizes mood and emotions. By supporting a healthy gut environment, you can positively influence your mental state and reduce the risk of mood-related issues. Furthermore, when your gut is functioning properly, it can create a barrier against harmful pathogens, reducing the likelihood of digestive discomfort and other health complications. Investing in your gut health is an investment in your overall wellness, leading to a happier and healthier life. How to add probiotics and prebiotics to your diet. Incorporating probiotics and prebiotics into your diet is a straightforward process that can yield significant health benefits. Start by focusing on foods rich in probiotics, which include fermented products like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut. These foods contain live beneficial bacteria that help support your gut health. You can easily add yogurt to your breakfast, use kefir in smoothies, or enjoy sauerkraut as a side dish. Additionally, try incorporating other fermented foods like kimchi, tempeh, and miso into your meals to diversify your probiotic intake and introduce different strains of beneficial bacteria. On the other hand, prebiotics are just as essential as probiotics, and they can be found in many plant-based foods. Foods high in fiber, such as bananas, garlic, onions, asparagus, and whole grains, serve as excellent sources of prebiotics. These fibers are not digested in your stomach, but travel to your gut, where they nourish the good bacteria. To make sure you get enough prebiotics, aim to include a variety of these foods in your daily meals. For example, you can add bananas to your smoothies, toss garlic into your dishes, or enjoy a hearty bowl of oatmeal topped with fruits and nuts. If you find it challenging to meet your probiotic and prebiotic needs through food alone, consider incorporating high-quality supplements into your routine. Look for supplements that provide a blend of different probiotic strains and prebiotic fibers for maximum benefits. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement to ensure they are suitable for you. By combining these dietary changes with supplements if necessary, you can effectively support your gut health and enhance your overall well-being. Conclusion: your gut health is the foundation of your overall well-being. By including probiotics and prebiotics in your diet, you can take control of your digestive health and improve your quality of life. It's time to make small changes that lead to big improvements in how you feel every day. Start today by adding more probiotic and prebiotic-rich foods to your meals and experience the difference a healthy gut can make. Do you already include probiotics or prebiotics in your diet? What's your favorite way to get these gut-boosting nutrients? Share in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on enhancing your health.